Hey, Elaine from Sweet Stampin' here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this pull and slide card with the Lighter Than Air suite. Alright, here is my fun pull slider card that has two messages. This is a super fun card, not hard to make, so I'm going to take you through the steps. But first I wanted to show you everything in the Lighter Than Air suite. We have a pack of twine, Flirty Flamingo, Balmy Blue, and Lemon Lolly. Of course, we have the Lighter Than Air Designer Series paper, and some of these dies cut out some of the balloons, like this heart and this small piece right here. And then we have some really fun colors and designs, stripes and clouds, diamonds and diagonal stripes. Super fun. And of course we have the rainbow dots, which come in a lot of colors. And as you can see, there are a couple colors hiding up here. There's Pool Party and Fresh Freesia. And the hot air balloon bundle. You can build your own balloons with different colors, this small one, and then this large one, you can use this, or you could use these, or you could use one of these, or whatever you want, or you could decorate it with this. The flags are super cute. This is like the little baskets or these baskets, and plus there are clouds. I love clouds. All right, the first thing we are going to do is we're going to use this 4 by 5 1/4 piece of the Designer Series paper, and we're going to adhere it to another 4 by 5 1/4 piece of just cardstock. This is just basic cardstock that I got at the discount store, and because I'm not stamping on it, I'm just going to put adhesive all around the edges just to strengthen this DSP, since it's going to have a lot of cuts in it. Okay, so while that is drying, I'm going to stamp the items that are inside the card when you pull the flap. So I've got Wish Big, and I've used some fun swirly and confetti from the Beautiful Balloon stamp set. So here's the confetti and the little curly thing. So really fun to pair this with the Lighter Than Air suite. So I'm gonna stamp the Wish Big in Flirty Flamingo right about there. And then I'm gonna stamp some of these fun squiggly pieces all around, also in the Flirty Flamingo. And then I'm going to do some confetti in the Lemon Lolly. It's a little bit hard to see, so I'm gonna add some confetti in Pool Party as well. And we could even maybe add a balloon to some of the squigglies. And then I'm gonna stamp the Up, Up, and Away, Hooray, It's Your Birthday, about right here. I need a little bit of room to punch my slit for the ribbon. So I'm just gonna mark the center spot here so that I can get that in the center. And there's a little center line right here so that you can stick it in and you can get that line lined up. All right, so this is ready to go inside. I'm going to add some of this Pool Party ribbon from the annual catalog. And I'm going to add this piece. This is 3 3/4 by 5 to the middle of the card base here. And then this will be part of it. So I'm going to put these aside. And now I'm going to do some cutting and scoring. So I'll do the cutting first. So I'm going to start at 5/8 and cut down to 4 5/8. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So here is 5/8, and then so that I can see 5/8 up here, I'm gonna just insert this little piece of white. So we've got 5/8 right there. And we're gonna go down to 4 and 5/8 right there. Then we can turn it and go to 5/8. It's the magical number. And we'll start again here at 5/8. And this time we're only gonna go to 3 and 3/8. So that's before 1/2, so right there. And then we can turn it this way and put it at 5/8 again and start it at 5/8 again. Yep. And go down to 4 and 5/8. Okay, now we're gonna score. So we're gonna turn the template this way and we're gonna start at 5/8 where we started cutting. And we're gonna make sure we're only using our scoring blade here. And it's gonna go in between. And then at 2 1/2, we'll go in between. And last one is at 4 1/4. And that's our little tab that we're gonna attach to our pull piece. And then we're just gonna see if we can pop this out. Okay, now we're gonna fold on these score lines. So the first one's right there. And then the next one is right here. And then the last one comes up this way. Now we're going to add some tear and tape to this bottom tab here. And this is going to get attached to the end of this piece. And I'm going to use our cloud punch again to make a little thumb hold. So I'm going to measure this. This is 4 inches across. So here is 2. I'm going to try to center that right there. And that's my lovely thumb hold. So now I can turn this back over and remove the backing. And then I'm just going to line this up with the bottom right there. So now we have our piece that pulls. Now I'm going to use some adhesive, foam adhesive strips along the edges here. All right, and now we get to layer this on top. And then we get to try this out. Works really nicely. So now I can use this smaller balloon die to cut this out. So here's my cutout. Now I'm gonna add a whole bunch of fun embellishments. So to start, I have this little piece here of Pool Party. So just can put some liquid glue on that, and I'm just gonna put it right there. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this lemon lolly fringe or scalloped. Okay, I used the adhesive sheet for the back of this. So I'm just going to add this on right about there. And then add this lemon lolly scalloped piece on top here, so it looks pretty seamless. And then I have these flags that I can add. And then for this balloon, I use the adhesive sheets for the back of this decorative piece. All right, the last step is just to add this stylish shapes circled to the front, and then we pull and there are our messages. And that is my pull slider card using the Lighter Than Air suite. Get my Lighter Than Air card kit for free when you place a $35 order using my current host code. Just email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I will send it to you. Just place your order by February 23rd, which is a Friday, and email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I will send it right out to you.